everyone, AC Gracie here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and the notification button so you'll be updated for my next vlog. Also, don't forget to watch the entire video so you don't miss any important tips of how to make this beautiful, lovely backdrop flower. Enjoy! For this project, you're actually going to need some templates. I know a lot of YouTubers out there, they have their templates for sale, but this one I actually used the one online. I'm going to put the link below, so you just double click on it and then drag it to your desktop and print it and you're good to go. Alright, and you're also going to need a glue gun sticks, and you're going to need a scissor to cut your cardstocks. And to fold my petals, I used a plastic butter knife. You can use anything, whatever is easier for you. And also you're gonna need your cardstocks. I also want to mention, guys, for the cardstocks, I have this one here in cream, and also the pink one comes in 2 tones. I highly recommend this one. If you're also gonna buy the cardstock, make sure to pay attention with the weight. This one I have in 65 by 176 grams, which I highly recommend it, because if you're gonna cut it and you're gonna have to fold your petals, it is way much easier. It saves you a lot of time, whereas to this one comes in 110 by 300 grams. This is way heavier and also super thick. It's gonna take you a lot of time to cut it and also to fold the petals, because you're gonna have to fold each petals individually, whereas for this one you can fold 3 petals at a time. Alright, and also this cream actually comes in just plain one, whereas for this one it's a shimmer type of cardstocks. It's very pretty. The final product is super pretty for this one, so I highly recommend this one, and it comes in 2 tones. Actually using Cricut Maker to cut your cardstock, which I highly recommend it because it saves you a lot of time. But if you do use the Cricut Maker, be sure to actually have this tools here, because you're gonna need it to cut the cardstocks. And it's the Scoring Well combo pack. It doesn't come with your Cricut Maker pack, so you're gonna have to order it separate. I highly recommend to use this one if you're gonna cut your petals. Definitely saves you a lot of time. So for this large rosebud, you're gonna need 8 of the large size petal and 12 of the medium petal, and also 8 of the small ones. So these ones here are the templates. So there's extra small, small, medium, and large. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I did fold the petals into these ones.